Now I want to show you how really smart EF Core is. Let's go to our database for 1 second. Here in the tables, you see we have the book detail. If you refresh, we'll also have the Fluent for book details, but we have the book details. If you go to the DB context here, you examine here, you do not have book detail. If we do not have a DB set, how was that even added? The reason it was added is inside book. If you navigate there, you have the book detail which is needed as a property. Based on this, EF Core is smart enough and it automatically detected that we have not added the not mapped, so it had to add that property or that table. So it took the definition of book detail and it added that in one of our migrations that we did. So that way, even if it was not present here, it was added because EF Core was smart and it detected that it was needed. That being said, we should be smart, and if we forgot this, we should add it. So we'll add the book detail and we'll call this book details. Now one thing to point out is right here, it's plural. That's what we are using throughout. If we take a look at the table, it is book detail. So if you keep it as book detail and if you add a new migration, that will be empty. But we want to be consistent, so we'll make it as book details and we'll add a new migration, book details to DB. This time it will drop the old book detail and it will create a book details. So it drops foreign key, primary key, it renames the table, adds a new primary and foreign key. We will update this database and everything will be the same, but now rather than book detail, this will be book details if we refresh right here. So even if we forgot adding that to the DB context, you can see how smart EF Core is and how good it is at managing and mapping everything and aligning them with our database. That being said, let's continue with Fluent API from the next video.